Good day everybody, Oside is here from busyman.kr. Today we got this beauty Kia Bride 2007 diesel, and let's take a look at this car. Clean car, but we got a little bit of rust here with this corrosion above the rear wheel. Check the doors as well. Very clean here, no problems. A little bit of rust in the corner over there, just a little bit. Check the rear one. This one is clean. There's a little bit of rust here. Take this one. Take the rear door. No cutting. It's a bit dirty here, dusty. But cuttings, the silicone is clean. Factory silicone. Let's go check the engine. Here's the engine room. The sound is smooth, no problems. Check the edges, no cuttings here. Here as well. Clean, nothing's coming out, no gas, no oil. It's in a perfect condition. So here we go inside the car now. Gonna check the audio, the aircon, and this plate. Let's start by starting the engine. It's diesel, automatic of course. Okay, let's heat it up. Everything's okay. Works perfectly, very smooth. Okay, let's try to accelerate. See the RPMs. It moves very smoothly. Perfect. Let's check the audio as well.
상태가 아주 심각하구나. 너 그 사람 어디가 그렇게 좋은데?
어디가 그렇게 좋은데?
나랑 비슷할 것 같아서.
아직 모를 거야.
Okay. Perfect. Speakers are okay. Stereo is fine. Let's try the AC. So cold. Air is coming nicely. Perfect. AC is on. Coming from all sides. Here as well. So AC is perfect. Windows. All sides. They work perfectly. Side as well. is the car from inside. We got some buttons here for the volume, calling. Let me show you the back side of the car. Perfect. As for the mirrors. Okay, thank you.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
So this was our Kia Pride 2007 diesel engine automatic transmission from busyman.kr. As you've seen in the video, all the details. If you have any questions, please contact us. Feel free to ask anything, and have a nice day. Thank you.